It's Tim Albright with AVNation ISE 2024 in the Atlona booth with Robert Bird. How are you, sir?
I'm doing great, and yourself?
I am fantastic.
Good.
We've known the Atlona Omega line for a number of years, and you guys are developing product and really trying to focus on the education market, both higher education and K-12.
That's correct.
Talk about what this new product does for that group.
Well, so the new product we have at the show is called the OME CS31 SA. And in addition to the typical features that Omega has, which are AV switching and USB integration, we've added a mixer amplifier into it, as well as some K-12 specific audio integration capabilities.
Like what?
And those things are PA Sense, which is we can detect whether an announcement is happening on the public address system and mute the amplifier so it could be heard clearly in the classroom.
You're taking a feed from the PA system into your device?
We're actually monitoring voltage on the PA system, and when we sense that voltage, we'll mute our amplifier.
Awesome.
Another is audio ducking. So in our balance line input, if you have a teacher's wireless microphone connected to it, we will detect that signal as well and lower the volume of the program audio so the teacher's voice can be heard clearly in the room.
Okay. And on that specific feature, is that something that either the IT manager or the integrator can adjust those settings, or is that just kind of pre-programmed?
No, it's fully adjustable. So you'll look for sensitivity on that input and establish a point where you want to start ducking, and you also have full control over the ramp.
So they can completely mute it if they wanted to?
Yep.
Okay. Very cool. You also have something that's very interesting, obviously hearing assist systems and making sure that everybody in the class can hear and understand. You also have a capability to make sure that folks that have the need for listening assist or hearing assist systems have that capability.
That's correct. On our line output, we have that. Well, we have the amplified output, which is all the audio going, but we've also routed that, the full mix to the line output as well. And that could be routed to an assistive listening system to help students in that case.
All right. We know Atlona has developed a pretty robust control system over the years. This product has the ability to start talking to, or listening to, I guess I should say, your occupancy sensors. How does that work?
Yeah, so we have an occupancy sensor product, the OCS 900N, and over the network, it can communicate with the OME CS31 and say when there's occupancy, it'll fire an automatic display control and turn on the display when people are in the room. When they leave, we'll shut it down as well.
All right, and you also have some sort of auto switching, I guess is the best way to put it. It senses since it's an input, and it's automatically okay. There's a signal coming from here, and now I have to do this.
That's right. I mean, without an occupancy sensor or anything, if you plug a source into the device, we'll automatically turn on the display and switch to that source.
All right. Robert, somebody wants to find out more about this or about Omega or Atlona in general, how do they do that?
Yeah, go to atlona.com.
All right, very good. Robert Bird from Atlona for us, for AVNation. Go by our website, avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv. Follow along as we bring you more videos from the show floor of ISE 2024. All that and more at avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv.